Hi, I'm Sarah Adkins. I graduated from Cabell County Career and Technical Center from the first class of the CMA program. Currently a certified medical assistant, also had my phlebotomy. Reasons why I took the class was to further my education in the healthcare field. I kind of wanted to move my way up. The class kind of prepared me for my career as of now. Currently working in the medical assisting field at Cabell County, Cabell Huntington Hospital in family medicine, also in sports medicine. It gave me a way to help me pay for my wedding. I just recently got married, also building a house. It helped me pay for my house. I would recommend it to anybody who wanted to further their education in the medical field, move their way up. It's a great way to start your way up.
Hi, my name is Alexa Adams, and I'm currently a medical assisting student here at Cabell County Career Center. Prior to this, I was a hairstylist for 12 years, and I just needed a change. And I'm so glad that I found this one because I've made so many new friends, and I'm going into a field that's ever evolving. So I'm forever learning, and that keeps me challenged in life, I feel like. So I'm so grateful that I found this program. I strongly recommend it to anybody that needs that change in their life, and it's been wonderful, truly.
Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm a first-year graduate from the Cabell County Career and Technology Center. I currently work at Huntington Dermatology. This program has helped me in many ways, whether it's getting a job or advancing my career. No matter what I'm doing, I'm always learning. This program is great, not only because you just go into the medical field, but you can do anything with it. Whether you want a desk job, if you want to do injections or blood draws or EKGs, the opportunities are unlimited. You can finish this program with 3 certifications. I really enjoyed this program because it helped me learn so much, and I still have not stopped learning.
My name is Danielle Messinger. I'm the medical assisting instructor here at Cabell County Career and Technical Center. I've been a certified medical assistant for 22 years. I've worked on the floor for a long time, and I have to say this is probably one of the most challenging jobs I've ever done. It's been very rewarding. My first class came out last September, and they went on to March, and they have excelled in every way. They were given a chance to come out with 3 certifications. They could get their certified medical assisting. That's what our main course is. A lot of them came out with phlebotomy and their EKG certification. I can't be any prouder of them. My new class I have coming in this time, they started in August and they'll be done in December. So it's a 5-month course now. I'll be turning out another class in January, and they'll be done in May. I can't explain how excited I am about this. One thing I'm excited about is it's free tuition. Your most traditional programs, if you want to become a medical assistant, is 18 months, and it's a lot of debt. This one here, you get done in 5 months, and it's tuition free. It's a no-brainer. So once again, I'd love to encourage you to look into this program. If you want to get out of a dead-end job and get into a career, this is great. This is the best opportunity for you. It opens so many doors. So I hope to see you soon.